So maybe you can tell us, like, not just advertising, but what's your listing and advertising strategy at the high level?
Everything goes together. It's not only about the ads. You know, the ads, I could be showing for one word and at a certain cost per click and it doesn't do well. And then if I raise it or if I lower it, it'll do well. And then, you know, the price of my listing has a huge impact. The images have a huge impact. Sometimes you need to add a little call out to the main image, you know, the review average, the review count, especially the honeymoon period. Like everything goes together. Like I could be advertising one word in the beginning of the launch and it'll, you know, make the listing a home run. It'll do so well. But then if I'm advertising this certain keyword at the end of the launch, or you know, after the first 90 days, whenever the honeymoon period ends, it'll be a lot harder and more expensive to, you know, to get it there, to for it to be profitable. So like everything needs to be done at the right time, starting the listing off at a low price so that every single keyword that I advertise on, Amazon sees is converting well. And then the domino effect or the snowball effect, they'll want to show it because they don't only, a lot of times people they'll just bid very, very high because Amazon's making them bid high, but Amazon's making them bid high because you're kind of having to force them. Like if Amazon wants to make money, but they'll make money off of the FBA fee. They'll make money off of every unit that you're selling. So if they think, wow, this listing is a great listing, we want to show it here, like they'll let you bid lower. Like you won't have to force them to show it to the top. Everything goes together. The listing needs to be perfect in so many ways, from the category to the images. The browse node has a huge impact on the ads also.